My name is Tiffany and I'm here to tell you about a new Recaro seat that we're introducing at the 2017 SEMA show. At Recaro, we've been building high quality, high performance sports seats and racing shells for more than 50 years. Our heritage as a leading supplier to the automotive industry even goes back 111 years, and we're proud of our accomplishments. Over that century, we've learned a lot. We've learned there are no boundaries for real significant innovation. And we've developed a passionate drive for innovation and excellence. It propelled our creation of truly performance-tuned seats, the world's first. You see, Recaro is much more than a brand. It's a lifestyle, and every one of us at Recaro live it. To keep winning, we know it is essential to continually learn and improve. No let up, no resting on our laurels. The safest and the best performance-tuned seats and products available, always. And now, we're proud to announce a new addition to our long, distinguished line of innovative performance seats. We have the Sportster GT, and it is the latest in aftermarket seating technology. The seat's hybrid design incorporates the strength of a metal seat base with a lightweight, ultra-thin backrest and reinforced polymer. It combines the features of a sports seat and the lightweight shell of a racing seat. The Sportster GT features the new Recaro Victory Performance foam design and has an integrated headrest, belt pass-throughs, Recaro's proprietary integrated lumbar support, and an aggressive bolstering for great support during spirited driving. Available in a range of surfaces from base nardo cloth to high-grade leather, the Sportster GT will also offer a choice of 3 suede accents: red, gray, or blue. And for its comfort and ergonomic qualities in a Sportster GT, you'll feel like you're sitting in one of the world's most desirable sport luxury automobiles. Nothing looks or feels like a real Recaro seat, and this seat has it all. Recaro's distinctive design and the company's world-renowned ergonomics and craftsmanship. The Sportster GT's overall design creates a sleek, distinct, eye-catching look that will redefine your interior style of your vehicle. So be sure to visit us online or go to your nearest authorized Recaro dealer soon.